Port Control Delta, Port Control Delta. This is Motor Vessel Sunny. How do you read me? Over. Sunny. This is Port Control Delta. I read you excellent, loud, and clear. Change to channel 1-2 over. Port Control Delta. Changing channel 1-2 over. Motor Vessel Sunny. This is Port Control. What is your ETA at Pilot Station? Over. Port Control Delta. Our ETA at Pilot Station 300 hour local time. Over. Sunny, what is your call sign? Over. Port Control Delta. This is Motor Vessel Sunny. My call sign is Foxtrot India Tango Alpha. Over. Sunny, what is your last call port of gold and gross tonnage? Over. Port Control Delta. My last port of call was Japan and my gross tonnage is 1, 4, 6, 7, 9 tonnage. Over. Do you carry any dangerous goods? Over. Port Control Delta. I do not carry any goods, any dangerous good. My cargo is still products. Over. Sunny, your message is understood. You just must call when you pass Alpha Island on channel 1-2. Over. Port Control Delta. Recall when we pass Alpha Island channel 1-2. Over. Sunny, standby channel 10 on 1, 6 and 1, 2 out.